What's the meaning of etiology? Etiology. 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 Etiology refers to the study of the causes and origins of diseases or conditions. It involves identifying both the factors that contribute to the development of a condition, as well as the underlying mechanisms involved. This information is crucial in developing effective treatments and preventative measures. By understanding the etiology of a particular condition, medical professionals are better equipped to diagnose and manage patients. Additionally, research into etiology can lead to the identification of new risk factors and potential targets for therapeutic intervention.